Welcome new and returning viewers.
Hey y'all, today we're going to paint some lips. Alright, and I have printed up the lips that we're painting. It's these lips. Okay, you're not impressed? Maybe this will do it. This is what we're going to paint it on. Boom. See that? That's huge. 76.2 centimeters by 101.6 centimeters for my metric friends. Yes. Hey, and for my my people in the United States, you know, who go by feet and inches, that's 30 inches by 40 inches. It's big. It's big, yeah. Anyway, I'm just hoping that my flimsy little easel can hold up. And that's another thing. I got one on the way. I ordered it. I pulled the trigger. I ordered it. I bought it. It'll be here in a few weeks, if not sooner. Can't wait. Anyway, we're gonna get busy on painting those lips on this huge canvas. Of course, it's gonna go like this, sideways. All right, let's get at it, y'all. It's gonna take a minute. It's a big canvas.
Gotta get my jam on. I'm using a soft charcoal to sketch this onto the canvas. Y'all stick around to the end. I've got some outtakes to show you. They're funny. I sketched a little more with the camera off, and then I blended with a 4-inch brush. I think it's about ready to paint now.
paint these lips. But it's going to be huge. Huge, I'm telling you. I can't wait. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Gigantic, humongous, big, huge, large. Extreme. 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 Big, big, big. Huge. Extreme centimeters. That's huge. Look. I don't know if it's going to fit. Is it going to fit, y'all? Will it handle it? Ooh, is it going to break? Okay, it's up there. Of course, we got to unwrap it first. Not so small.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Like and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.